the new way to travel, 100% pure adventure, Rally Your Life. Since it's a location-based app, I'm presenting a slideshow because we'll travel to the future. For any live demo, Oscar is here with the phone. From now on, you will have only one responsibility. Get to any place on the planet any way you can. Jump on a plane, car, even a horse, and get somewhere new. For everything else, there is Rally. Isn't it about time to jump into a real adventure? I just spent the whole day here having fun at the Hackathon, but now I'm ready for something else. And this does not include searching on Google for suggestions, or even trying to remember the terrific place that I saw on Travel Channel a month ago. What I want is terrific food and and be at the best places in Vegas on a Wednesday night. Let's get Rally to work for us. I select budget and mode of transportation, and Rally create my trip. It's time for dinner, so Rally present a restaurant for dinner, a great show, a couple amazing clubs, and an after party. This will take me to the early hours of tomorrow. Oops, already been at Picasso last night. Rally didn't exist yet. Let's remove it and get to a new alternative. The list is created based on your past uses of Rally stored on Key, your social network on Facebook. We could also pull data from other sources like Yelp and TripAdvisor. Wouldn't it be great to see Travel Channel video about the food I'm going to pick as I'm waiting for the waiter? We'd love to use Travel Channel APIs. I can already feel my mouth watering. If you click on any event, you get a description, and we display all the info so you can decide to go or not.
30 seconds.
Now let's pick the first event, and let's click Go. Since we are driving, Google Maps is giving us direction. If the transportation selected is taxi, we get the address. Dinner is done now. So we need to get ready to go to Darkana. All headache from planning are removed. Now all you need to do is have fun and rally your life. Thank you.
Time. Nice job.